I'll rephrase this question that, sir, how to find a perfect balance between thinking about the answer for the right time, not less, and not overthinking about the answer, not more. How to find the perfect balance where I think exactly what is required to be thought about that answer, not more, not less. Is it the question?
Yes, sir, exactly.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Padma. Thank you so much for the question. Now coming to the answer. Suppose you are basically studying on your study table, and then at sudden you got a thought that your study table is very much messy and dirty and you need to clean it. How you are going to clean it? By removing all those stuff that are on the table, each and every stuff, yeah, all those stuff which you think that should be removed.
Personally, I tend to take everything out and I sort
Sort.
what
And
is
then,
needed and what is
what you
not.
do?
I sort the things according
Huh.
to what is needed and what is not, and I
And
put it back on.
then you will put the back things back on the table that are needed.
Yes, sir.
And after that you will take now listen to me very carefully. After that you will in your mind make this conclusion that the table is clean now.
Yes, sir.
For sure, Padma.
Yes, sir.
And if you will at the same time again clean the table, you will basically ask yourself, Padma, are you rational or not? Is it yes or no? Common sense, each and every person will do कि भाई क्या कर रहा है, एक बार साफ कर लिए तो दोबारा क्यों कर रहा है? Clear है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now you can basically understand and judge yourself in the matter of table because, ध्यान सुनना बेटा, बहुत प्यारा आंसर देने वाला हूं, because you have the tangible things in front of you which you can see, feel and calculate and
Yes,
count.
sir. Yes.
While having a thought in your mind, why this task become difficult is because you are not having the tangible pointers over which you are thinking.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
And when you are not having the tangible pointers, you tend to disorient yourself either in thinking less what is required or thinking very much more than what is required.
Yes. Yes, sir. That's what happens.
That's what's happening. Exactly. You are not the only student who is basically suffering better. First of all, many students last year, many of the students who got very good marks are suffering from this problem. So what is to do is not to find the balance, but to find the tangible pointers over which you need to think.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. And in each and every question, Padma, either it is critical or it is legal or it is maths or it is English or it is GK. In each and every question, there must be some points over which the examiner want you to think.
Yes, sir.
And when you are able to mark those words or those phrases over which the examiner wants you to think, and after marking those words, if you think about all of those points, will that not be the exact time where you must mark the answer without thinking twice?
Yes, sir.
And if you think more than that, your brain can very clearly tell you that, Padma, we have thought over all the pointers that we have identified. And if we have thought over all, if we have thought over all the problems that we have identified, we will not think more. And if we have not thought over all the problems that we have identified, we will not leave the question. This is exactly the time when to leave and when to attempt the question. And the play in all this is two things, beta. A, the ability which will grow over the time within the months and months and months, within a couple of months or a couple of months, you will get very good in this capability of finding the right pointers over which you want to think. And this is what the examiner want you to have the capability, because this is the only capability, Padma, that is required in this प्रोफेशन. अगर तेरे पास बेटा कल को किसी की फाइल आती है, यू कैन नॉट सिट विद द फाइल फॉर एंडलेस टाइम कि मैं इस पे शोधन कर रही हूं, आई एम रिसर्चिंग ऑन दिस. यू हैव टू गो टू कोर्ट ऑन द नेक्स्ट डेट. So you have to find the pointers and think over them. If you can't find the pointers, there is no use of you being a lawyer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Are you getting it? So to
Yes.
make a decision rational, we have to have the pointers now over which we need to think.
Haan, sir.
And what is the quality of a good comprehender? Is that whether they are able to find the pointers or not.
Yes, sir.
And if a good comprehender is able to find the pointers, they can think about the things. And if they can think about the things, then it is very easy.
Yes, sir.
So what's your task now on, beta? Is A, to find the pointers, and B, after finding the pointers, be very rational and clear to yourself. Be detached to yourself that I am not going to think about scoring very well in this exam. I am going to think about doing this question in the rightest manner that I can do.
Okay. Got it. Yes, sir.